Hey, Ash here from Quoter, and today I want to walk you through the new payment gateway that we've just deployed, which is WisePay. So from Settings and Payment Gateways, you can go New Payment Gateway and then select WisePay. Just going to go into edit this one to show you what that looks like. When you select a new payment gateway, the only thing you have to do is choose the type WisePay, then put in the description of WisePay. You won't see the Use Sandbox option. That's just for super users in Quoter and to help with testing and rolling out new features. We have in our knowledge base article a link to the ConnectWise University where they have full instructions on how to configure this on their end in WisePay and ConnectWise PSA, as well as where you can find your API key. So I encourage you to take a look at that resource and reach out to them if you have any difficulties accessing that, but it's quite easy to do. Then you drop your API key in here, decide if you want to require save payment method on the part of the user going through and paying for either the deposit or full amount of their quote. Then decide if you're allowing bank debit transactions and or credit cards. Then down to the currencies. So if your quote is in these currencies that are turned on here, then this payment gateway or payment integration will be available to your end customer. So make sure you only turn on ones that are supported through WisePay. Then save your payment gateway configuration, and you'll see it in your payment gateway list right here. Now let's go through what it looks like to your end customer. So I'm going to start by creating a quote. And to make that easy, I'll just copy one of these quotes that I already have here. I like that Jane Doe from Bogus Corp. We'll go with that. And let's make sure we've got some quantities in here. We've got a total. Yep, everything looks good there. Publish that quote. And now we'll jump over to web view and see the customer experience here. I'll select the essential option here and accept the quote. Now you can see WisePay is available as a payment method. It's the only one that's available for Canadian dollar quotes. If you did have multiple payment options available for Canadian dollar quotes, they would all show up here and the end user and customer would be able to select the one they want. We pre-populate all the billing details, but it can be modified if needed there or locked down. Go through and accept the terms and conditions and accept the quote. Now what happens at this point is we're redirected to WisePay to log into our account, create a new account, and complete payment. Once payment is accepted and goes through successfully, the user is redirected back to Quoter to the thank you page that you can configure in your labels and messages area of Quoter. So that's the integration. We hope you guys find it helpful and hopefully it speeds up that quote to payment flow. Thanks and happy quoting.